In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and review orders in your Shopify admin dashboard. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your central Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main control area where you manage the day-to-day activity of your store, including products, customers, and of course, incoming orders. Make sure you're fully logged in so you can access the navigation menu and all of the order management tools without interruption. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. The left-hand sidebar is where you'll find the primary sections used to manage your store. From that left sidebar, click on the Orders tab. This is the main section dedicated to tracking purchases that have come through your storefront. When you open it, Shopify will take you to the Orders page where all current and past orders are organized in one central location. This page is especially useful because it gives you a quick operational view of what's happening in your business at a glance. On the Orders page, you'll see a dynamic listings table. This table is designed to help you quickly scan and monitor order activity. Depending on your setup, you may see customer names, payment status, fulfillment status, order numbers, and other important details. As you look across the table, notice how Shopify uses clear labels and visual indicators to help you identify which orders have been paid, which ones still need attention, and which have already been fulfilled. This makes it much easier to stay organized, especially if you're handling multiple orders throughout the day. When you're ready to look more closely at a particular order, click on any specific order row in the table. That will open the full order details page for that transaction. This is where you can review the complete information connected to the order in one place. It's helpful for confirming what was purchased, checking the current payment and fulfillment progress, and making sure everything is moving correctly through your workflow. As a general tip, always take a second to verify that you're opening the correct order before reviewing or taking action. The orders table is built to make navigation quick, but being intentional helps prevent mistakes when managing customer purchases. That's how to access your Shopify admin, open the orders section, review the